bigger fans.
We were just wondering, because you're the king, like they call you the king of Korean pop, and in Korea they really love you. So then, what is it about America that you chose to expand like your fame to this country?
I love America, and here is a lot of girl. That's it. I'm just kidding, You're making fun. Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, this question is for Rain also,